Make a great choice today with the 2011 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.